Ladies and gentlemen, my video is about removing the browser notifications that are related to the site Bluestringline.com. Bluestringline.com is the website that tries to encourage its visitors into subscribing to the multiple ads that will be displayed as permanent web push notifications. Bluestringline.com tries to trick you into clicking on this allow button, but to click on allow is obviously dangerous and a serious mistake that may hijack your browser and cause a lot of troubles. On the one hand, you may be redirected to some other questionable resources. On the other hand, you may start getting the great portion of advertisements that will be shown in the right part of the screen. To remove these ads, you should definitely implement some browser fixes. For instance, access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions area and choose Notifications. Now, pay careful attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this malicious site, Bluestringline.com, make sure you remove it from the list, and don't hesitate to remove other junk sites too. Finally, to make sure that the system is absolutely free of any other threats, I strongly advise that you scan your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then, after it gets successfully installed and started, begin scanning and researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.